Tom's bike is just completely superior to everyone's else. Got it! Oh, Mexican money coming! Oh, Tom killed everybody! Oh, Tom working us! Tom's out of here. He's going to downtown LA on the Ducati, killing the game. The police can't catch him now.
What's up?
It's a hot chick. Mark's on them brakes, he messed up! I'm full on the throttle! Oh, Mark set off! I got the inside! There goes Mark! He's running away with the lead, I need to drop a gear. Dropping a gear, killing the game. You know it. I'm so cold. It's freezing out here. It's freaking cold. Your merch. Oh, there's a cop or something. Forest. I'm going 50. What can they do to me? Oh, he got murked! They couldn't take the heat. Hey! Hey! Ah! Hey! Oh, Mark's getting wild! This is riveting racing. Mark takes the lead! Taking him on the outside! You know it! Oh, Mark's coming in! I have to concede. It was dangerous to try to take the inside, but I need to take the inside route less distance. Back over to the inside again. Mark's too wide. He's losing speed because he's too wide. Here we go. It's the hunt. The hunt is on. He's gonna let go, but I'm gonna keep pushing through. On the inside, I can't believe it. There he is. Dip and dive, baby. Oh, I messed that up. A smashing finish.